Have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you Boom 300, a trade. That night we were waiting for a spike. Recording this video, okay, doing a short clip from this recording for you guys. Maybe a lot of people think, how you know there will be a signal. So this is a long recording, my guy. We cut a clip for you to consume the time. So waiting for a spike signal. Once the spike signal appear, I'm gonna open and trade. In front of you guys, a new candle is formed. We are waiting for a spike signal. Once the spike signal appeared, I know I'm going to open a trade. Here's the spike signal. Now let's open a trade. Here is Boom 300. A trade is open. We are waiting for spike, and we took 50 lot on this signal on Boom 300. This is the power of system. With a relaxed mind, you can take risk, because you know this is a powerful system. Now you guys can see market is moving, signal is staying non-rapid indicator, waiting for spike. On what this is second candle, we have 3 candle stop loss strategy. And look here guys, spike, and we made awesome profit. Let me save this picture for my VP group on Telegram, and we will post this signal results in our group. Now waiting for maybe there one more spike. Keep watching guys. One trade is closed and we are holding. Maybe there's more spikes we are holding, and maybe there's more signals. So let's move on Telegram VIP group where we posted this trade for, look here, one more spike guys, but still teeny spike. So I think we close this trade and let's move on Telegram. Look here, buy Boom 300 lot 50, and we made profit. Now let me put a screenshot in my group, and here is guys, as you guys can see. Thanks for watching.